Alright, this is my Samsung M520. It's my new cell phone from Sprint. I made a video on this before, reviewing it, and it's a pretty good phone. I like it quite a bit. Just this past week I put the Sprint navigation service or system on it. It's $2.99 per use, or $10 a month, and to me it's worth it because I'm always out on a bike, sometimes out of city, and I really don't know where I am. So I went for the $10 a month option. So I'm going to give you a short tutorial here on just a review kind of on how it works and how I like it. So I'm going to start by opening up my menu, going to My Content, then down to Applications, and Sprint Navigation. It's Java powered, so it's going to have to fire up Java here. Verify my account. That just makes sure I'm subscribed and not cheating them somehow. Usually doesn't take this long, but I'm in my basement, so service quality, if you can see, no, is only about 1 or 2 bars. It tells me, warning, do not maneuver this application while driving. You assume the risks of using this application in your vehicle. Okay, I'm in my basement, I don't know. And then this is the main window of Sprint Navigation. If you can see, it's a Sprint Navigation at the top, and then there are 4 tabs you can look at. There's Drive To, Directory, Maps and Traffic, and Tools and Extras. If I go to Maps and Traffic, I can show my current location. Take a couple seconds to look for that. But anyhow, when I get to the current location, it'll show all the streets, lakes, parks, anything around me. It's got a traffic monitor in it, so it'll redirect me around any traffic if I set a destination. The speakerphone can be used for the little person in there to tell me where I'm going, tell me when to make my turn, hopefully not into a building. So far it's been very accurate. Service quality is usually very good, but I am in my basement and we live down a big hill, so there's not very good service here to do this with. Then there's also something called a Follow Me map. It puts it down in a 3D perspective. It will be showing 3D buildings within the next couple months, I've heard. But anyways, it's very good so far. You can search for places by you can search for restaurants within X square miles of you. There's really a lot of things. I was very impressed when I first got this to mess around with it and learn all the features in it. There's something called Compass under Tools and Extras in the main window tab that'll show you what direction you're facing exactly, your latitude and longitude, and your speed, which is very interesting. I like messing around with that in the car. You can set destination, like go to my address from my grandparents' house. It'll tell me exactly how to get there. It's been very accurate. If there's bad traffic somewhere, it'll redirect me around that traffic or notify me of the wait. And what was interesting is driving about 80 miles I did a couple days ago, I set the destination and it gave me the estimated arrive time. I believe it was 6:33. I pulled in the driveway at 6:34. Exactly. So it's been very, very accurate. Definitely worth $10 a month, $120 a year, and I really do like it a lot. So I highly recommend it if you're in need of a GPS. I don't think it might even be better than the Garmin Nuvi. The only thing is it's obviously not a touchscreen. So very good. You can say addresses instead of typing them. You can obviously type them on the keypad here, but it's very good and I like it a lot, so thank you for watching.